Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am very excited to announce that this channel has reached 200,000 subscribers. It feels like we just celebrated 100,000 and then the channel doubled in size. So thank you very much. Obviously I couldn't do this without you guys watching and subscribing. So really, very cool. Thank you so much. As per usual, I have some truly epic prizes to give away, especially the last one. Stick around and find out what that last one is. This is something I should have done a long time ago, and I'm very excited to do it. Now, this is going to be, the giveaway event is going to take place live. You do not need to be a patron. You don't need to be paying for a special membership of my channel or anything. You just need to be watching. That's it. If you are watching, you have a chance to win one of 3 super epic prizes. They will all go to different people during the event. When does the event take place? It will take place this Friday, January 27th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will provide information on how to enter during the live event. Let me repeat that. I will provide information on how to enter the giveaway during the live event. So come hang out with us. Come celebrate, right? I want it to be a thing where people come and make a big, crazy. It's always fun to do a live event where it's really intense and there's lots of people in there. So come hang out with us, celebrate. It should be a good time. It'll probably be an extended live event, hour and a half or so. And you'll have a chance to win some awesome prizes and probably some other things during the live event that I'll kind of, keep to myself here at the moment. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going to be given away. So I did 2 kind of medium range things and one epic thing. The first thing is, and you're going to say, oh, CJRB, it's a pretty epic one. This is the special edition CJRB Pyrite in a super high polished S35VN blade, titanium for the frame, and then we have micarta inlays. I really wanted to keep this. It was actually in my case, one of my cases, and I intended to keep it, and I realized, you know what? Maybe I should give this one away. This is pretty epic. I think a lot of people were trying to track these down, so you'll have a chance to win one of these absolutely brand new. Second up, I wanted to do something that was heavy contrast to that, right? This is like a good, EDC knife. I wanted to do something that was absolutely ridiculous, and the most, ridiculous knife that I had available to give away is the new PMP Berserker, which is just a big, crazy sort of mega tank of a knife. Neither of these knives are inexpensive. I want to say the CJRB Pyrite was approaching or slightly over 200. I want to say the Berserker was over 250. This is a big chunk of M390 in the form of a very aggressive Tanto. Bearings, titanium scales, big, aggressive boy for sure. So that will also be on the table. And then a lot of people know what that box is, right? I always hoard these. I never want to give them away because, if you've been watching my channel since the beginning, in fact, if you watched the very first upload, that's kind of like the knives that really turned me into the crazy knife enthusiast that I am today. And I've always taken every opportunity that I have had to grab these things and hold on to them for dear life, especially recently, because they have, they've become, aggressively more difficult to get, especially the, the types that are in this box. And yeah, it's a Hinder knife, but not just any Hinder knife. I'm actually going to be giving away a full titanium XM18. It will come with the original scales, and in fact, it has actually everything that came with it originally. But this is something that I tracked down and bought. I'm going to be honest with you. These first 2 knives were sent to me by manufacturers. I didn't have to pay for those. This guy I actually did pay for. This is my most recent Hinder acquisition. I had an extra titanium scale that I had also recently purchased, and it was brand new. These are Not easy to find. But the reason that I snagged this one is because it was in S45VN, which I find is a much more appropriate steel for the Hinderer XM18 and blade profile in general. This one is a spear point blade, making it, just a real safe and sort of appealing aesthetic to a lot of people. It is fully stonewashed, so you'll have that nice consistent aesthetic. This is a newer titanium scale that has been milled on the inside, factory authentic. The base price of this knife is $425, and then if you don't know, the scales by themselves cost about $200, and then they go for wildly more than that on the secondary market. So I do know, I'm going to say that thing, I know what this is worth, right? And this is why I hold on to these things. This one is absolutely perfect. It has been, everything has been carefully installed, and the knife has been tuned by yours truly. Perfect lockup, nice action. We have absolutely perfect centering. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus on there so you guys can actually see it, but we have perfect centering on that knife. Just really spectacular. A perfect example of an XM18. Everything came together perfectly. But like I said, if you don't want if you want to change it back to the blue scale, I'll send that with it. Yeah, I wanted to keep that, but I have a lot of Hinderers. And I thought it's time for me to give one away. It's time for me to give one away that I bought, that I had to hunt for, right? A little bit more meaning behind that. So we'll do these in order throughout the live event. It won't all be at the end. It'll be throughout the event, so there'll be a reason to stay and watch and participate. The CJRB first, the PMP second, and then finally the grand prize, the Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch. I hope you guys are excited about this. This is, it's going to be a while before I do another mega giveaway like this. This is an expensive giveaway to do. I will continue, to do my regular live streams where I give away, less expensive knives here and there. But major events like these, the channel grew so quickly, I legitimately cannot afford to do these as often as I have been. So it'll be a while. But I'm really excited for this one. I hope that you guys are excited for this one. Again, I'm really hoping that you'll come and celebrate. The last few times that we've done this, it's just been such an awesome time. And I have very much enjoyed just having a ton of people in there. And it's nuts, man. It's just totally out of control. So I'm hoping that you'll come and celebrate. Thank you so much again for helping me live this dream. It really is a dream come true to run this channel and to watch it grow. I'm going to be here for the long haul. I always say that. I said it at 150K, 100K. I said it at 50K and all of the different, sort of milestones before that. But if you are enjoying my content, rest assured, I'm not going anywhere. I love doing this, and I couldn't see myself doing anything different right now. So anyways, let me know if you're excited about this down in the comments. Hopefully we will see you guys all this coming Friday, January 27th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks so much. Leave a like, subscribe, all of that. We'll see you there. Bye.